Katie. So today I'm going to be testing out Draw So Cute's drawings. So if you don't know who Draw So Cute is, her name is Wenny and she has a drawing channel and she's really good at drawing. And she always puts these signature like eyes on her drawings. And I said drawings a lot there, pardon me. But yeah, I tested her drawings. You can find all of these videos in the link below if I'm bothered. So let's go. So first, I'm gonna be trying to draw this unicorn. Keyword, trying. So I couldn't put the full tutorial in the little corner on the left side because it was like a 10-minute video and I don't want you staying around for like an hour just to watch this video. So I just put the photo in the bottom left corner. So please enjoy. But my computer's like right beside me while I was testing this, I guess. And I was watching it and it was very fun. So here is how my little unicorn thing turned out. I think it looked really cool for how bad I am at drawing usually. So let's turn over the page and let's get on to the next one. So for the second drawing, I'm going to be attempting to draw this narwhal. Does anyone know that song? No? Damn. But here is me drawing, and that's fun. So this is how my little narwhal drawing turned out. I colored the horn green because it's fun. And let's get on to the next one, which is a dinosaur thingamajig. Let's go. So then, as usual, I'm just following the tutorial while listening to it with my earbuds on my computer. And I think that's all I have to say for now. So, So here's my finished little dinosaur thingamajig, and I really like it. So now I'm just gonna flip the page and let's get on to the next one. So next, I'm gonna be trying to draw this panda corn thing, so let's just do that. So as always, I'm just following the tutorial and drawing whatever I'm meant to be drawing. And I don't think I need to explain any more of this apart from the fact that I colored them in mostly using my Copic markers. So yeah, fun. So next I'm going to be attempting to draw this lemonade thing. I think this is going to be the hardest thing to draw, so let's just do that. So I just want to say really quickly that I started a TikTok account. It's called, well, I'll spell it out, Kati and then 3 draws. I do a little bit of drawing, and I just did like a channel reveal thing a while ago, so you can go check that out if you like, and go watch the videos, and they're fun, so yeah. So here's my finished glass of lemonade thing. I think it's really cute, and I'll fix the handle later. Now let's turn over a new page and let's go to the next one. So the next one I'm going to be drawing is a sloth, and I hope this is easy because I'm bad at drawing, but that was a fail, so I'm starting again. And yeah, this was pretty easy. I ended up outlining it with a thick black marker because I wasn't really very happy with it because I'm just bad at drawing. But yeah. Then I'm just fixing up that part with some Tipp-Ex so it looks better. Yeah, it sort of looks a bit out of place, but I can't help that. So yeah. Then I'm just coloring it in with my coloring pencils because I only have one brown with my Copic marker collection. And yeah. Then I just did a sort of thick outline around all of my drawing, and I think that it sort of improved it. So yeah. So here are the 2 photos side by side of every one of these, and you can comment down below which one you think looks the most similar. And never mind the darkness in color compared to hers, because I use Copic markers, and yeah. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. And if you want a shout out in my next video, make sure to comment down below #craftificationsquad after turning on notifications. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to follow my TikTok and subscribe to this channel. Bye!